Hi guys! Welcome to lesson 4 on our MANABU online textbook. The topics that we discussed on our lesson 4 grammar video was about time and verbs. Time and verbs. So now, let's read the sentence pattern examples and later, we will show you the kaiwa or the conversation samples. So let's get started. So the number 1 sentence pattern on lesson 4 of our MANABU online textbook, Ima yoji go hun desu. Ima yoji go hun desu. So, Ima means now and yoji, Ji is for the hour. Yoji is 4 o'clock and go hun 5 minutes. So, now it's 4:05. Number 2, Watashi wa mai asa rokuji ni okimasu. Watashi wa mai asa rokuji ni okimasu. So the sentence pattern here is the time ni verb. So the time is rokuji, 6 o'clock, particle ni. So the particle ni is the indicator or it indicates the time of occurrence of the verb. So the verb is okimasu. So rokuji ni okimasu, I wake up at 6 o'clock. And mai asa means every morning. So I wake up at 6 o'clock every morning. Number 3, Watashi wa kino benkyou shimashita. Watashi wa kino benkyou shimashita. So the verb is benkyou shimasu. So it happened yesterday, kino. So the verb should be in past tense. Benkyou shimashita. Okay guys, let's proceed to example sentences. Once again, Mr. Van will join us.
How are you?
I will read the sentences. So number 1 is Ima nanji desu ka? Then you will answer Niji 10分です.
Niji 10分です.
So Niji is 2 o'clock and 10分 is 10 minutes. So Niji 10分です. So once again, Ima nanji desu ka? Niji 10分です.
Niji 10分です.
Ima nanji desu ka?
Niji 10分です.
So Niji 10分です. It's 2:10. New York wa ima nanji desu ka? New York wa ima nanji desu ka? What's the time in New York now? Then you will answer Gozen 0時 10分です.
10分です.
So Gozen means AM and Reiji is 12 midnight. So 0 will read as Reiji. Then 10分 is 10 minutes. Once again, Gozen
5時 10分です.
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 ニューヨークは今何時ですか?
5時 10分です.
Next, number 2. 休みは何曜日ですか? 休みは何曜日ですか? So, 休みは your day off or your rest day. は何曜日ですか? What day? So, 何曜日? The answer is 土曜日と日曜日です. So 土曜日 means Saturday and 日曜日 means Sunday. So the particle to means and. So 土曜日 and 日曜日です. Particle to. Okay, once again, 土曜日と日曜日です. Hey, number 3. アップル銀行は何時から何時までですか? アップル銀行は何時から何時までですか? So, we're talking about アップル銀行, the Apple Bank. 何時から from what time? 何時までですか? Until what time? So, 何時から from what time? から means from and 何時 what time? まで until ですか? Answer is 9時から3時までです. So, from 9 o'clock to 3 o'clock. Number 4. 毎晩何時に寝ますか? 毎晩何時に寝ますか? So, 毎晩 every night. 何時に寝ますか? So, the time ni verb and the interrogative is 何時. 何時に寝ますか? 寝ます is to sleep. So, what time do you sleep? May bang every night. The answer is 11時
11
に
に
寝ます。
寝ます。
11時に寝ます。
11時に寝ます。
I sleep at 11 o'clock. Number 5. 毎日何時から何時まで勉強しますか？毎日何時から何時まで勉強しますか？ So, 毎日 every day 何時から from what time 何時まで until what time 勉強しますか？ Do you study? The answer is 朝 in the morning 朝9時から from 9 o'clock 午後 in the afternoon 3時まで up to 3 o'clock 勉強します。I study from 9 o'clock in the morning to 3 o'clock in the afternoon. Okay? 朝
朝
9時から
9時から
午後
午後
3時まで
3時まで
勉強します。
勉強します。
はい。Number 6. 土曜日働きますか？土曜日働きますか？ So, this sentence, the yobi or the days of the week, the particle ni is optional. So, as I explained in our grammar video, that particle ni is optional with this kind of nouns indicating time, like yobi. So, you can put ni doyobi ni hatarakimasu ka or doyobi hatarakimasu ka. Do you work on Saturdays? Answer, iie hatarakimasen.
Iie hatarimasu.
Hatarakimasen. Hatarakimasen.
Iie hatarakimasen.
Okay. Doyobi hatarakimasu ka?
Iie hatarakimasen.
Number 7. Kino benkyou shimashita ka? Kino benkyou shimashita ka? So yesterday, kino benkyou shimashita ka? Did you study? He answered, iie.
Iie.
Benkyou shimasen deshita.
Iie. Benkyou
Shimasen deshita. Okay, his answer is iie. No. So the verb should be in negative, benkyou shimasen. But the time is kino, yesterday, so deshita, past tense. Benkyou shimasen deshita. So guys, let's proceed to our conversation or the kaiwa. Let's go. Sumimasen. Asuka no den wa bango wa nan bang desu ka?
あそこですか5275の2725です。
どうもありがとうございます。
はい、おしょかです。
すみません。そちらは何時までですか
10時までです。
休みは何曜日ですか
日曜日です。
そうですか。どうも。So now we are on exercise A. So I will read the sentences and please repeat after me. Number 1, 今4時5分です。今4時5分です。So 4時, take note that it's not 4時, it is 4時. Now it's 4:05. Next line, 今9時半です。今9時半です。So 半 means 30 minutes. It's 9:30. The interrogative is 何時. So 今何時ですか? What time is it now? Number 2, let's start from the interrogative from the bottom. Yasumi wa nanyoubi desu ka? Yasumi wa nanyoubi desu ka? What day is your day off? So the answer could be suyobi. So if your yasumi is Wednesday, you can answer suyobi desu. Or you can answer doyobi desu if your day off is Saturday. Or if your day off is Saturday and Sunday, you can answer doyobi to nichiyobi desu. Right, number 3, Let's start from the interrogative part. Hiruyasumi wa nanji kara nanji made desu ka? Hiruyasumi wa nanji kara nanji made desu ka? So hiruyasumi means lunch break. Hiru means noon and yasumi is rest. So noon break or lunch break. Nanji kara from what time? Nanji made desu ka? Up until what time? So the example answers are 2時から1時までです from 12 o'clock to 1 o'clock or 2時半から1時15分までです from 12:30 to 1:15. Number 4. 私は毎朝6時に起きます。私は毎朝6時に起きます。Next line. 私は毎朝7時半に起きます。私は毎朝7時半に起きます。I wake up. So 6時に起きます。I wake up at 6 o'clock in the morning. Next line is 7時半. I wake up at 7:30. So the questions would be あなたは毎朝何時に起きますか? What time do you wake up in the morning? So number 5 is 私は9時から5時まで働きます。私は9時から5時まで働きます。The verb is 働きます。I work. Then 9時から5時まで from 9 o'clock to 5 o'clock. Next, 私は月曜日から金曜日まで働きます。私は月曜日から金曜日まで働きます。I work from Monday to Friday. Number 6. 私は毎日勉強します。私は毎日勉強します。I study every day. 毎日。Next. 私は昨日勉強しました。So the time indicated is in the past. 昨日, yesterday. So the verb is in the past tense. 勉強しました。Number 7. The verb nemas, to sleep. The negative form is nemasen, not to sleep. Yasumimasu, to take a rest. Yasumimasen, not to take a rest. Hatarakimasu, to work. Hatarakimasen. And the past tense of nemas is nemashita. And the negative past of nemashita or nemas is nemasen deshita. Next, the yasumimasu, the past tense is yasumimashita, and the negative past is yasumimasen deshita. Hatarakimasu, the past tense is hatarakimashita, and the negative past tense is hatarakimasen deshita. So that's all for this lesson, guys. Make sure to check our grammar videos on our YouTube channel. Dewa, minasan, gambatte ne.